Thank you very much for watching my little life channel. Today, I'm going to introduce this. This is microwave rice cooker. I bought this at Amazon Japan. Usually in Japan, we use rice cooker like this. But it's maybe too expensive and also take up a lot of space. So I decided to buy this one. I wasn't 100% convinced how it works. Especially Amazon product review is split into two, good and bad. But for me, it worked. So I'll show you how it is and how I use it. Let's get started. The product comes with cooker itself, measure cup, also spatula. About measure cup, this side is for rice. One rice cup is 150 grams of rice. This is Japanese measurement. And the other side is water, and we can measure up to 200 milliliter per cup. Rice cooker has got a stopper here. Also, inner lid. Firstly, you measure rice. Please refer this table. You can either do half cup, 1 cup, 1 cup and half, or 2 cups. Half cup is for 1 serve. So here I put 1 cup of rice and wash rice. How to wash rice is rinsing starch completely. So mix gently all the rice with cold water and drain the water. You can use inner lid to drain the water. Repeat this until drain water gets transparent. To cook Japanese rice, we wash rice. I'm not doing this because of this particular rice cooker. It's just our habit. After washing rice, soak the rice with water for half an hour. Then drain the water you used for soaking. Then add water for cooking. The amount of the water, please refer this table. Then put inner lid. Put the stopper properly. Then cooking in microwave. Again, for cooking time, please refer this table. After cooking, leave it in the microwave as it is for 15 minutes. This is the important part for steaming rice properly. After 15 minutes, open it. Rice is ready. Overall, I'm very happy with this product. It's quicker and easier, especially for cleaning. If you use the pot, usually rice stick on the bottom of the pot, and cleaning take up a lot of time. Also, you waste a lot of rice. It's very small, so you don't need special place for storage, and also affordable price. And most importantly, rice will be cooked perfectly, so it's not too soft or hard. When you cook traditional style Japanese dish, such as donburi, this will be very handy tool. I also cook sushi with this rice cooker. Out of 300-gram rice, you can create 30 pieces of sushi like this. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you have more questions about this product, or generally about Japanese food, please comment on below. Also, check another videos. Thank you very much for your watching and have a good day.